Hello everyone. So in this video I will cover group by with cube and roll up in SQL Server. So first I will start with only group by. So we can use group by in a two way. One, just to select the list of column. Another is with aggregate function. So let's start with the group by with column selection. So group by clause arrange the row in a group with unique combination. When we select column only with group by clause, then it gives unique combination of value and work similar as distinct clause. So distinct clause we do use to get distinct value. So instead of distinct clause, if we use a group by in a SQL query and that column select the column which is used in group by, then we will get a result similar as a distinct clause. And let's see the SQL query. It's very simple. First start with the query. This is my blog only, so in the description I will give the link of this blog so you can get notes here. So here we can see we are seeing only distinct value for department and salary. We don't have any duplicate value here, and the same result we can get if I use distinct. So here in the both query I got the same result. You can see the number of distinct value 23, and here also the number of distinct value 23. But when I go for select a star from employee table, I have total 30 row, and without group by or distinct, if I use select dip comma salary from employee, then let's see the result. So if I use I have 30 row because there are some duplicate also. Okay. So in this we have some duplicate, but when I apply distinct or group by with selected column, I will get only different distinct value, not any duplicate. So this is the first use of group by. In next video I will show you how to use group by to get extra aggregate data based on